videos for you, just using the fan brush. I'm going to show you how to use it with acrylics, but we're using it on watercolor paper just for a demo. First thing, taking the edge, dragging it down. I'm leaving these spaces in between. This would be if I wanted a tree or park. I could also dip my brush in the water, wipe it off on the rag, and then blend it very lightly. Now I'm changing the shape. I'm not doing it like this, vertical, I'm going horizontal, and I'm blending. And as you can see, now I have a wash and the shape at the same time. I could also, let's do it again. I'm going to change the shape of it. You can see how I can add light and dark colors at the same time for this bark. Make it a little bit bigger. And then I can use another color, like a yellow or a lighter brown, and I can go in between. So it's different methods here. The first one, you can see how it changes, and you can use any color. I'm just using the yellow because the student had it out in their palette. Okay? And that's different with the brighter colors in between. You could go with any color in there. If it had green in the tree, you know, or some moss or something, you could bring up the green. Next thing is using it for different types of foliage. Say for an example, we had grass. We have a bunch of different colored greens here. And it just makes the process much faster. You see how fast we can build up those greens? Right? And the other thing is for landscape, so let's pretend we had some kind of land that this was on. By dabbing it, we can build up texture. And if we press hard, we can blend it. You know, and I could add another color brown in there if I wanted to, like a lighter color brown, or a different color, and build that up. I could even go, if I wanted, you know, with some green in between, and build that up too. Okay? The next thing is for leaves on a tree. Let's make them really bright. So what I could do is I'm just loading up the middle parts. Sometimes students do this when they're doing these palm trees or any kind of tree, and they're just practicing these strokes. And you can see I can bring light and dark and different color greens.
Exactly right.
Like that, okay? And it's like this. Okay, and the last one is you can practice this, is move it like this. It's going with these side swipes. I do this in different color blues when I want to do a sky. Sometimes I do a light blue and a green. I mean a light blue and a white. But you can pick up two colors at the same time, you see in these strokes. Okay? So try that. Okay.